on behalf of His Excellency Kadri Desiré Ouédraogo, the President of ECOWAS Commission, I would like to make this statement for the 2016 International Women's Day. This year's theme is celebrating the International Women's Day, which is on the 8th March 2016 every year, and the theme of this year is Planet 50-50 by 2030, setting up for gender and equality. In this season of celebrating the International Day of Women, we seek to raise awareness on women issues, to acknowledge their indomitable roles in the society, to celebrate their achievement, and to propose forward-looking strategies for accelerated progress in the cause of gender equality and the empowerment of women and girls. This year's theme also draws our attention on how to effectively mainstream gender equality and women empowerment in the 2030 Global Agenda on Sustainable Development. Ladies and gentlemen, the theme is an affirmation that promoting gender parity, equality, and empowerment of women and girls will indeed critically and significantly contribute towards the attainment of all the Sustainable Development Goals and targets. The founding leader of ECOWAS has always recognized the need for the full mobilization of women resources. I would like to say men, women, and youth abounding in the region. Hence, the ECOWAS Treaty, Article 63, is one on women and development. The treaty gives ECOWAS a strong mandate to formulate policies and development programs that enhance women's economic, social, and cultural conditions. Thus, the vision has always been clearly affirmed: commitment to gender equality and women's empowerment as means of ensuring collective involvement in development activities in the region. ECOWAS authority has been consistently conscious of women's economic empowerment as the key to development and has thus the position gender issues for injection into the framework and initiative of ECOWAS vision. ECOWAS women have made progress in terms of education, political participation, and some progress have been made in terms of their economic empowerment. ECOWAS has an organization now dialogue with member states, private sector, and civil society to harmonize their national gender policies and to promote institutional mechanisms for gender equality and women empowerment. ECOWAS also encourages the identification and removal of bottlenecks inhibiting government living up to their commitment and accountability for gender mainstreaming in their development plans, programs, and budget allocation. The ECOWAS gender agenda indeed commits member states to fulfill their obligation under various regional and international protocols, agreements, and contribute to the realization of new Partnership for African Development, NEPAD objective, Beijing Platform for Action, and the Sustainable Development Goal. ECOWAS, as a regional organization, has reaffirmed its commitment to the global agenda of promoting gender equality and women empowerment. The high-level political commitment to gender equality issue gives a high leverage for gender sensitivity and mainstreaming of activities within ECOWAS as an institution and with multiple reps effect within the region. The challenge for ECOWAS, indeed, as an institution, is to sustain the commitment and the willingness to make resources available for the implementation of the targets set out in the various gender-related policies and action, to close the gender gap in all the sectors, as well as empower women and men to better deal with the multidimensional challenges in all development sectors: agriculture, energy, environment, mines, and so on. The economic situation in the region, debt crisis, armed conflict, insurgency, terrorism, the impact of HIV/AIDS on women and girls, traditional and cultural issues continue to pose serious challenges to the effective implementation of gender, parity, and equality issues. Hence, there is a need today for continuous focus and action on the to address effectively these challenges. However, the process of engineering development in ECOWAS is one course and will need to be more vigorously pursued in the coming years. ECOWAS indeed has embraced the vision for gender equality and empowerment of women and girls, which is indeed a proven strategy for empowering humanity. We see the picture and we are making it happen. We enjoy and join all stakeholders to take concrete steps to help achieve gender parity and to promote and prioritize gender equality and women empowerment issues. ECOWAS hereby salute all the women, men, girls and boys of the community and encourage all to join hands in promoting gender equality and the empowerment of women and girls for sustainable and enduring development and democracy in our region. Together we win. We are building a socially inclusive society where everybody needs and aspiration are given due consideration. I thank you. Dr. Fatimata Dia, Commissioner, Social Affairs and Gender of the ECOWAS Commission.